I'm back for an unboxing. Today I am unboxing my base BoxyCharm box. I haven't filmed one of these since I don't think I filmed my March one. I know I didn't film April, so it's been a couple months, but this is my May box. I'm super excited to see what's in here. I have opened it up, but I haven't really taken anything out. I did not get a card. I don't know if that is a new thing with BoxyCharm's base box, because I haven't had a card I think in 3 months, and tell you as much as I know about the products, which probably isn't much. Let's just get started. The first thing is the product that I chose, which is the Hourglass Vanish Highlighting Stick. I actually have a sample of this, luckily in a different color. I'm not sure what the colors I have, but I know it's not this color. I got Rose Gold Flash, which I actually wasn't too excited about because I figured it would be too dark for me. But I've swatched it and it seems to be okay. Let's show you. This is a full-on swatch, but if you diffuse it out, you can't really see much color, so I think it will actually work fine for me. I don't really use the sample one that I have, so I don't really have much of an opinion on these. I am excited to try it out and see what I think and go from there. I do know these run about 40-ish bucks, so very expensive for a box that costs only $25. The next thing I got is not my favorite product, but it is a nail polish, which I typically don't like getting only because I only use Essie polishes. Just seems to work best for my nails. But these are actually pretty colors, so we'll try them on. This is the Deborah Lippmann nail polishes in Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling. So it's a pink and a nice red color, which are colors that I will totally wear. So at least they're nothing crazy and I'll actually wear them. So that is my second product in the box. The third product in the box is from English Laundry number 7. I believe this is a perfume. Again, I don't know anything about it, so let's see. Yes, it is a perfume in a nice packaging. Smells like laundry. English Laundry, makes sense. So I like the smell. It has a very clean, fresh smell. I do actually like getting perfumes, so I'm happy to try this out. Again, don't know much about it, but I'm sure it will be great. I just hope it doesn't break me out. I'll kind of know if my wrists start burning, if it works for me or not, so we'll see. The next product that I got is a palette. This is from Beauty Creations. It's the Cali Chic palette. I've watched a few unboxings and I haven't seen anyone get this. So it has kind of a warm color story to it. Actually looks very pretty. You know, if it ends up not working for me, I know between my daughters or even my mother would really enjoy this color story. But I generally do like a lot of these shades, so I'm excited to try this out. I've never heard of Beauty Creations, so again, don't know much about the product nor the cost or anything, but I got that as my fourth product. And then my fifth and final product is a crown palette. I got 2 palettes this month, which I guess is really neat. So it's just in this black sleek packaging, and it has some nice rose. It's a very neutral palette, but has a lot of pink to it. It's actually very pretty. I don't think I've ever used Crown eyeshadows. I've used their brushes. So I'm excited to try these out. It looks really nice. Again, haven't seen anyone else get this palette in their box either. So I think it's weird that I got 2 palettes, but I'm happy. Anyways, that is everything in my base box. So I got the 2 palettes, the highlighting stick, the nail polish, and the perfume. So it seems to be, for me, a really great box. I'm actually super excited to try some of these things out, and I will let you know my opinion in my next unboxing for June. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys got down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.